Hey YouTubers, got two chargers here. One is a fake one is a real one. Fake one is a replacement for DC18RD, so that's their Makita's rapid charger, or but whether it meets their specification or not, I don't know. I suspect they've just put the number on which they think they will get the right price for. This is the genuine one, which is a standard charging. It's actually better to charge batteries more slowly if you can, if you've got time to do it, because rapidly charging a lithium battery will reduce its lifespan. Also the knowledge goes. So this one worked okay for about 6 months, and then one side of the charger stopped working. Interesting thing happened, or slightly interesting, when this one here arrived, this genuine one, I put these batteries on and their light started flashing to tell me that they were broken. So I thought that's a bit annoying because they still worked on the other charger. So what I did, I just went and used them anyway on the power tools, and then when I put them back on here, then they charged up okay, and I didn't get the error message, the lights flashing. So I think perhaps that the fake charger maybe overcharges them or something. So when you put them on, I should have put a voltmeter on them really. I could still do that, couldn't I? But when you put them on here, perhaps the voltage is out of whack, and so this one thinks they're broken. But like I say, I ran them down on some tools and then put them on this one, and they're charging all right now. So and as you can see, I'm using non-genuine batteries. This is a brand, if it is, you call it a brand. You can still buy Vanon knockoff batteries on eBay, and they're pretty good. I've had a couple fail on me, but I've got about 8 of them, and for all the various tools, so I've had 2 fail out of about 8, and the typical symptom of that is they just completely cut out. It's not that they lose power or anything, they just stop working. And I think it's probably the circuitry rather than the cells, because one of those I just showed you over there, I've taken apart and I tested the cells to make sure they're all the right voltage, and they were. So I think the problem is the circuitry rather than the cells that they use. I mean, some of these Vanon batteries advertise as using Sony or Sanyo cells, which are reasonably good quality. So it must be the battery management system which lets them down, if indeed they have one of those in there. But they do have a circuit board for sure, so with various leads going out to the different cells. So there you go. You can use non-genuine batteries on a genuine charger, and my initial worries over with the error messages here, they went away after I used them and discharged and then recharged. So so if you come across the same problem and you've been using a non-genuine charger, when you swap over, you need to discharge the batteries first, perhaps. Anyway, hope you found that useful. And I should say, obviously, this charger does a great job. Nothing really much to it, really, is there? It doesn't play all the annoying noises that one does. I'll just show you. So if you put this one on here, it plays an annoying tune. And it plays a really long annoying tune at the end of when it's finished charging up. This one here is nice and quiet. That should go out in a minute. So the solid red light means it's charging. There you go. So just top that off after I put it back on. So yeah, quite happy with that. And the reason I bought this is A, because that one's broken, but B, I think because I've had a couple of these batteries fail, I'm going to start using the genuine Makita ones, because whilst when I first got into the tools I didn't really want to spend out hundreds of pounds on all genuine batteries, which is the reason why I got these knockoff ones. But now as I replace them, I'll replace them with genuine Makita batteries, and I don't want to charge really expensive batteries on a fake charger, because it's, you know, not a good idea really. So there you go. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Cheerio, thanks for watching, bye.